Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, you might have realized that the market is actually becoming a positive sentiment as we're getting closer and closer to the Bitcoin halving event. I mean, today we did receive a spike down for all the cryptos for a very short period of time and it was able to recover, but you guys can see Bitcoin is able to hold above the 15-cent mark. If we talk about Bitcoin halving event, you can see it's only about 10 hours away, and I know Bitcoin is able to hold above the 65k mark, which is extremely good. On the other end, you can see that Dogecoin is getting closer and closer to X payments, which is going to set its all-time high. Bitcoin bounces, the Middle East is the reason, and it's able to ease on the tension and race to $1 between XRP, Cardano, and Dogecoin. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just help to algorithm push the video to more people see the positive side of Doge, they decide to buy into it, it starts spiking up, all of us make a lot of profit. Make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now I just want to mention, recently I have been covering everything relating to crypto, not just Dogecoin news, and I've noticed in the comment section a lot of you guys are very happy about that. So just by watching one video, you stay up to date with everything that is happening. Now first of all, I just want to show you guys something important when it comes to Dogecoin. Now you guys can see the RSI line, even though we received a little bit of a reversal. I mean, if I just put it to 1 hour chart, you guys can see that the market is actually doing quite decent, as the whole market is able to make a little bit of a recovery, especially today. And after a little bit of a spike down, we are in a consolidation zone from the last 6 hours. The reason for this is because the market is in a little bit of a fearful state, trying to figure out if this is going to be a sell on news event or is this time going to be a little different, as the ETFs are going to be playing a very crucial role. While we are on that topic, you guys can see that the trading volume has gone down another 2% as it has dipped below 750 million, as a lot of people are a little confused and they don't want to take big leverage positions, and $7.7 million being liquidated just in the last 24 hours. Now let's talk about this. Every day we get closer to X payments. That means the possibility of its implementation gets higher and higher. As we sit 5x away from Dogecoin's all-time high, I believe we're going to be doing something big. This is correct because if you guys have been looking at the news, there is a little bit of rumors that June is going to be the month when, you know, X payments will be making their first announcement, and that's going to be causing a lot of positive trend to the overall Dogecoin market. Now talking about Bitcoin is able to bounce back from the 60k milestone as they did not fall below it. The reason for this, well, the simple reason is Middle East tensions, which was rising very quickly between Iran and Israel, has calmed down a little bit. There is not much happening, and that's causing the market to also be able to react in a positive trend. Now personally, I really like this because, you know, a lot of innocent people are going to be a lot more safer, and at the same time, obviously the crypto market is going to be seeing a positive trend. I mean, let's just say Israel is able to just calm down. Now race to $1. Now this is really interesting because if we look at the overall, you can see XRP, Cardano, and Dogecoin, they're all sitting at a very different price range. XRP and Cardano similar, close to 50 cents, but Dogecoin is at 15 cents, far behind, and just to be able to make it to $1, it would require a lot much bigger push. Now you guys can see Toncoin is up 15% today, so the difference between Dogecoin and Toncoin has increased a little bit, and a lot of people are trying to push up this price, but the trading volume, Doge is still about 3x higher. Now on the other end, I do want to show you guys this, which is another big wallet. You guys can see they did not buy or sell anything since the 5th of April, but just yesterday they decided to buy close to $85 million worth of Dogecoin. And this is why a lot of people believe this is the largest wallet of Dogecoin. If you do not know, a lot of people believe that this is Elon Musk holding onto it. I mean, this wallet alone is worth about $5 billion worth of Dogecoin, and this person has made about $3 billion just from Dogecoin. And this is another wallet which you guys can see has been purchasing from the last 4 days after selling about $8 million. But what is crazy is every single day they're buying about $5 million worth of Dogecoin. On the other end, this is a really good picture which I found on Twitter, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. guys. If something like this does happen in the future, it would be a really good feeling. And also Soul Hunter just listed Dogecoin on Solana, takes another step forward. Now this is a really big deal because now Solana ecosystem is also going to be having Dogecoin, so therefore there is more money being flowed into the Dogecoin ecosystem. On the other end, Dogecoin SHIB with shine as the market turns green. Will it stay? Now this is the fear that I'm talking about. As you guys can see, compared to yesterday, we have moved a little bit more towards the greed, but due to there only being about 11 to 10 hours left until the Bitcoin halving event, there is a lot of panic in the market. That's why even though we are in the green, all the trading volume and everything is not making such a quick return, as a lot of people are panicking that maybe as soon as the Bitcoin halving event is completed, the market is going to be going really strongly down. Now that's usually what's happened in the past, and that's why there is so much fear right now, but you just need to be a little patient and you will be able to see a recovery. Dogecoin shows surprising resilience as the market uncertainty grows. While in simple terms, you just need to understand, compared to what happened last bull market, what is extremely different for Dogecoin is we have already reached a state where now we are perfectly at the point where Bitcoin halving event is about to happen literally tomorrow. Now in May was pretty much when the Bitcoin halving event happened last time, and you guys can see in May it already set its all-time high, and since then it was declining and it was very hard for Doge to make a recovery. Now will something similar happen? If so, why did Doge not be able to make it to its all-time high? That is a little concerning. That's all I'm going to say. I'm not going to use any other words. Now, JP Morgan analysts predict that Bitcoin price will weaken after the Bitcoin halving event. I mean, the chances are quite high. As I mentioned, usually that's what's happened in the past. If we just try to compare what happened in the history and try to compare it to what is happening, something similar might happen, and that's when Dogecoin will be coming into play. Bitcoin whales make massive move as Bitcoin surges to 65k. Are the bulls back? As I mentioned, right now the market is very uncertain. If the bulls decide to make a return, it's obviously going to push up the market even more. If the Bitcoin market gets pushed up, Doge will be following very shortly. There's not much that will be slowing down the Dogecoin price. You just need to be a little patient, and you need to be able to make a decision in terms of if you want to hold for the long term, or do you just want to make a little bit of profit for now. Personally, I feel like there is still so much potential left, especially I feel like Dogecoin has to hit 25 cents very soon. I would not say big numbers, but 25 cents is the minimum that I would be expecting. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.